see the book which is used for the artificial intelligence subject, that we can say that the artificial intelligence curriculum. This is a small facilitator handbook for the class 6 and 8. We will see how we perform the different activities by using this curriculum. Here is first page is the acknowledgement page, which is some patterns, advisory editors and creative inputs are given here. It is now the first page is that about the book, what the book is said. The artificial intelligence is being widely recognized to be a power that will fuel the future global digital economy. Nowadays the AI is very powerful, and AI is used everywhere. So it is mandatory for the student, for the sixth and above student, to know about the AI tools and AI, how AI is trending today. They have to know about the AI. So this is India own AI strategy, identify AI as the opportunity and solution provider for inclusive economic growth and social development. So AI now used for the social development, economic growth, and everywhere. The report also identified the importance of the skill based education as opposed to the knowledge intensive education. As per the traditional learning, teaching learning process, this is very important nowadays to learn the mm, experiential and experimental based learning. So the skill is one of them, that the student will learn by the different skill activity. So the CBSE introduced this type of a book. Now just see what is the content of this book. First is conceptual framework, introduction of artificial intelligence. What is the artificial intelligence, how it is related with the day-to-day life, and what is the impact of artificial intelligence, application of artificial intelligence, use of artificial intelligence. Now overview of AI curriculum. This book is contains some other than AI curriculum, school procedures and AI implementation, AI syllabus, unit wise distribution assessment. These all things are given, and the main content is unit 1, that is excite, unit 2, that is relate, unit 3, that is purpose, unit 4, that is possibility, and unit 5, that is ethics. This all syllabus is based on only the activity, different activity conducted by using uh, this book, or you can perform the different physical activity, some AI activity by using computer and other devices, other apps. So here some introduction of the conceptual framework of artificial intelligence. You can read the book by downloading the CBSE academic website. It is mandatory to read for the teachers and explain to the student that how it is important to learn the AI. So uniqueness of the program, to mindsets and skill sets. Here the two circles are given, how your mindset is developed for the artificial intelligence or any skill based activity, and how your mind is used for the that skill based activities. That is your thinking power is developed here. So immersive, inclusive, human context, machine context, real experience, hands on and empowerment, these all are included while setting up the mindset of the student to develop their skill. Here the overall curriculum is that it aims to develop the learner's mindset and skill set towards the artificial intelligence, how it is understood and applied. Nowadays the artificial intelligence is very emerging, so it is very important to know that how that artificial intelligence is work. For example, if we take the example of Alexa. So the small children think that how Alexa is talk, they how Alexa is working, and what the programming behind that. So these all are the very random questioning coming in the mind of the student. So we have to solve by using different we have to solve that, we have to answer the questions of the student by performing the different activities, or you can say that different problems get arises and how that problem gets solved, so the problem solving skill get developed. So these are different skill get developed by using this skill subject. Overview and learning objective of the AI program. uh, the main learning objective pedagogy of AI is a pedagogical approach, hands-on activity based. Here main focus is the AI learning is that activity based, experiential based, inquiry based learning, and three dimensional of learning. Means the student or the teacher will think, means the two student develop their skill on three dimensionally: knowledge, concept, ability to know; age, appropriate specific AI concept; skill, ability to do, skill to acquire during the activity; experiential phase, attitude, these all are included. And developing ethics in the learning AI, developing thinking skill, social skill, and emotional skill, these all are included in the we can say that the learning outcomes behind this AI program included in the syllabus. Deep understanding of AI. Now next one is the deep understanding of AI, that the process of deep understanding will acquire the conceptual building. Main focus is that to build the concept of the student, to build the critical thinking in the mind of the student. So now next one is the create solution with the AI for the social impact pedagogy, interdisciplinary integration, theme based project. So we can also give the theme based project to the student to develop their skill. Age appropriate model, that is 8 for the 8th class, for the 9th class different experimental or experiential model we can give, and the learning outcomes will come. Essential learning experience from AI. What is the essential learning experience? The core essential learning experience from AI course are experience of creating by identifying the problem solving. So the students will identify the problems and how that problem gets solved by using different tools, or by using by communicating, by performing different activities. So their skill get developed by using these experiences of informed decision making. So when we create one group, one leader, so the this activity and that leader is handling all over the group, so the decision making activity or the decision making skill get developed by using this type of the activity, physical activity. So we can also perform this physical activity. Then experiences of the demonstrating responsible citizenship, then experiences of self reflection, value and ethics, experiences of exploring the future career opportunity. From the lower classes to the upper class, they don't know why the AI is included in the syllabus. So the last unit contained the career opportunity behind the AI. Nowadays, the data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence is very, very, very important, and all the world are revolving around these two and three topics. So it is very important, and the future opportunity is very large in this AI career. So it is very important to know about this to the student. Developing the key uh, compet- competencies competencies of lifelong learning. So the learning and problem solving, developing interaction and cooperation in innovativeness and innovatives application across key disciplines, social responsibilities and application, vocational ethics and communication skill. Communication skill is very important in every skill subject from 6 to 12. So there are one subject book, and another is the communication skill book, where the communication is very important and to develop the personality of the student. The AI curriculum. The school procedure of AI implementation is that the school and the teacher, the administration application to the CBSE for the approval. So what does the CBSE or the school do? School will send the application to the CBSE to approve. Then the teacher selection, training and sustain the motivation. Then appoint the teacher for the student to motivate the student for the skill subjects, strategy and planning of AI timetable and interdisciplinary integration. So administration will develop the proper plan, arrange the proper teacher for the student, and develop the program for the skill subject. Program scale out the projects and showcasing. So this is the all responsibility of the administration. Then AI implementation procedure, how the AI implement in the school. So what is the school level activity? This curriculum integration, syllabus, pedagogical approach, and arranging the resources like the teachers and the other resources. That is, if we are learning the online platform gaming, so the it is a responsibility of the school that they will arrange the computer lab or the computer for the student. Then another is the training for the teachers in AI in collaboration. So if the teacher is arranged for the student, so the teacher must be trained for that course. So it is very important to train the teacher for this particular course. So it is responsibility of school. What is the responsibility of CBSE? CBSE will approve the skill education or the skill subject to the particular school, CBSE school. Now the translating AI on ground, creating the mindset. The aim of the familiarized student into the understanding the AI program, foundation on which AI is built upon the patterning, data interpretation, sorting, comparing, classifying, identifying. The AI application and surround us are proof of the innovation using technology. We need to prepare ourselves to unlearn, learn, and relearn. So the focus of the AI is that to create a mindset to understand the AI. So these all sentences are in shortly say that it is to increase the understanding level of the student, to set the mind of the student for the AI, or for accepting AI, to accepting the AI era and AI world. Preparatory groundwork, reading, gathering all information one can get and about what AI, what is do, what is not, and is imperative for the better understanding for the subject. So preparatory groundwork is that the gathering the information, reading the information, collecting the information, then analyzing that information and researching and inquiring that different what the information is collected, then asking the question about that, and watching the videos, and talk for and against the AI. So these all are included in the preparatory groundwork. So facilitating and feedback. Now facilitating and feedback is that the learning to facilitate is the learning to know the difference between when a guide suggests and when allow the student to figure out understand themselves, questions hypothesis, and take the challenges. So the student will gather the information, student will um, asking the questions about that information, then create the hypothesis every time, then accepting the challenges, what the challenges behind that. So these all are including facilitating and feedback. Monitoring, mentoring and monitoring ensure the continuity is maintained to membership and monitoring the facilitated student learning. Online feedback, interactive discussion on problem and challenges are some of them way to assist this. Means that the it is mandatory to monitor the student or the um, student or the learners, what they are doing about the data. Now the from this all about the uh, curriculum of the artificial intelligence included in the CBSE.